Yo, that's a snake. It ain't going faster because the motor is hot. Holy! You broke the stairs! The G2 Pro now has a bomb on it. If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikers.com. Link in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, the G2 Master no longer turns the on. I mean, it turns on, but the rear VESC shorts the ADC signal, making the front VESC not receive throttle, and the VESC doesn't even connect to the VESC tool. And when it connects, voltage jumps all around the place. That VESC is deep fried, bro. As a replacement for the broken maker base, I'm gonna get a Flip Sky. Hell no, what did I just say? I'm gonna get a spin tend. I mean, it's a good opportunity for an upgrade, I guess. Bro, the G2 Pro is a fun scooter. Like, I can use this until I get my controller. And the Flip Sky in it works fine. Bro is riding the high boy now because the G2 Master is gone. There was like, I don't know what video to upload next. And now I have the opportunity to make a VESC tutorial. I'm a genius. Perfect timing, bro. Everything happens for a reason. I'm still mad though. Maker base, count your days. Why me? Yeah, bro, it blew itself up so I can get another one. This was perfect timing, bro. The G2 Master died right after I made the G2 Pro nice. I'm back on the G2 Pro, can you believe it? Like the good old days. I guess it was too much power for me, am I right? Now it's gonna be even more power. Yeah, bro, I made the G2 Pro look even better. Yeah, don't mind this, don't mind this. What I did is I modified the deck and I moved the power switch right here. Sleek power switch. Look at that. It's where the light was. It's time to work on the G2 Pro right here. I'm gonna make the temperature sensor actually work because in the last video I installed it, but I didn't get it connected to the controller. I'm gonna make the switch actually good. I'm gonna take the switch from the G2 Master and put it in there. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the deck. I wanna make the deck look really cool. This is the deck. Oh my days. I have to take the sandpaper off. Let's do that first. Oh, that dragon glue is pretty strong. It's on there. Oh my days. You can't even notice the difference on the video. My viewers haven't complained. Who cares what frame rate you record? But first I have to take the glue off, then sand it, then paint it. Isopropyl alcohol. Now we're gonna hang it in the tree and paint it. Bro, this shit ain't ever coming off. This is so annoying. Oh yeah, bro. Let's do one last layer of white paint. But I got a boombox. I'm gonna remove this light. And instead of this light, I'm gonna put the power switch. Okay, so I mounted the power switch right here. And this is gonna go in here. I am gonna put the temperature sensor. I mean, it's already in the motor, I just have to connect it. So this is the power switch. This is the Hall sensor port, so we don't need this. But I'm gonna open the controller to see which one is the temperature sensor wire. It should be a white one, but there are two white wires. The black one! I mean, there is a black wire. Look at the controller. Okay, so we got gear. What do you mean gear? It's here. Yeah, this white one. I know because I'm a genius. Let's put the controller back together. I'm adding a temperature sensor because I'm gonna push the scooter and I don't want the motor to explode. I need the black wire. The black and the temperature sensor. Okay, and these are the rest of the Hall sensor wire. Okay, so this is the deck art with some plexiglass on top. And the temperature sensor works. I got the power switch right here. Sleek power switch. Let's go take it for a spin. Bro is wheeling. Damn! Yo! We are gonna go do some off-road because I'm bored. I'm getting a new VESC for the G2 Master and it's already on the way, but shipping is quite slow. I got an insane controller for the G2 Master. What? Nah, that thing just says you're not allowed to throw trash around. Oh my days! Oh, I thought that's a dog. Yo, am I tripping or is this a gaming chair? The G2 Pro is the perfect scooter if you just wanna have fun without too much danger, because the G2 Master is also fun, but let's just say it's slightly dangerous. I wanna put a big motor on the G2 Pro. This looks like a cool hangout spot. Now those are really thick wires. I should use them on my G2 Master. These are not functioning. Oh, they are. Oh hell no. I ain't approaching that shit. It's making a noise. That thing is on. A snake? Where? What is that? Yo, that's a snake. The snake is swimming. That shit's long. It's like 1 meter. So, Joy is doing a ride out. And I don't think the stock battery can handle the range. So I strapped a big ass battery on it. This is the G2 Master battery. The 72 volts battery I built for the G2 Master. Oh boy, this motor will explode. We got Mr. Clow and Joy on dich. This battery is never gonna run out. I'm melting, bro. But why is the model number on the front? This is so goofy. It has brakes. We're gonna have to go get some water. I just know I will have to pour water on my motor to cool it down. The G2 Pro now has a bomb on it. Oh my days. Oh yeah! Bro, wheeling this shit feels like wheeling a cargo ship. I legit wheel it the whole street. I strapped a bomb on my scooter. This battery is gonna last forever. The crazy thing is, I can wheel it with this 10-kilogram brick in front of it. We're gonna go to the ride out. Joe invited the whole damn city to the ride out. I'm pushing 72 volts in this G2 Pro. Oh yeah! Bro is wheeling. I'm a little afraid of leaning too much on the G2 Pro because what if I scrape with the battery on the ground? Bro's not even used to the scooter and he can wheelie anything, bro. Yo, I bet if you give Mr. Clow a rock, he can wheelie it. Go push the button. I'm riding the goofiest G2 Pro. Oh my days, I can hear that brake from a mile away. Where should I get a bottle of water from? I have to cool my motor. If it works, don't touch it. I should have gotten a water bottle though. Oh yeah. Let's hope it's better. My GoPro is overheating. I need airflow on it. I'm full throttle on the G2 Pro. It ain't going faster because the motor is hot. It's so hot outside, I'm melting. The G2 Pro is also melting. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I have so much battery, but I can't really use it because my motor is getting hot. Holy shit! Oh my days, bro, almost fell. Bro, I still have like 95% battery. Yo, John Wills, come check this out. Who manufactured bro's brakes? Me log. Bro, this scooter is so easy to wheelie, even with the meteorite on the front. Holy shit! We got fast guys today. I'm not fast today. This temperature sensor in the motor is saving my ass. Imagine I didn't have a temperature sensor. My motor would have been molten already. My motor is dying and I'm about to hit a climb. Come on, G2 Pro. The motor can't handle my battery. This motor is so crispy. Okay, this water bottle is empty. Some Statorade would have been so helpful right now. The police. I mean, what if they stop me? What are they gonna do? My motor is overheated anyway. The scooter is not gonna go fast. My motor is kaput. I got my own ride out now, look. Oh my days, but this looks so dangerous. Holy shit! No more John Wills. What if John Wills will get arrested, bro? I bet that cop went after John Wills. How can you ride a bike in this weather? I'm melting and I'm on a scooter. This bike looks really cool, bro. How much battery do y'all have left? 50. That's like half. I still have like 80%. This battery is massive, bro. What do you mean? I'm so glad I put a temperature sensor in it. I borrowed one of Joy's motors to put on the G2 Master. Yeah, you made him famous. Yeah, bro, without you, he would have been nothing. You broke the stairs. You're too heavy. By the way, this is the G2 Master deck rubber. I used it so the battery won't get cut in the cross beams because that would be really, really, really bad. The G2 Pro is not really usable on 72 volts because it overheats. But on the stock 48 volt battery, it's really usable and fun. I didn't use the 48 volt battery now because I needed range for the ride out. Hey, Mr. Clow, battery change. I have 87% battery. Crazy paint job. Yo, does the G4 have this kind of screw? Mr. Clow just opened his scooter in the middle of the street. The goofy ass screws. I'm thirsty. We might have to bounce because the security guards are calling the police, I think. Bro, Mr. Clow's brakes sound like they're coming apart. Everyone is honking. Oh my days. They're blasting copyrighted music again. The whole city mad. This is a big ride out. Imagine we get cops on us now. I can't limit this one from the phone. Nah, I'll just unplug the battery or turn off the BMS and say something like, hey, my scooter is broken. Yeah, these buttons ain't doing anything. They're not connected to anything. Hold on, let me put some water in my bottles. Bro, the G2 Pro is fast. Is Joy on Wheels here? Bro, I wanna record e-scooter region. Yeah, it's like the millionth time you've done this. The suspension is too stiff, bro. Look at this. I'm barely moving it. Damn, Joy is wheeling it. Mr. Clow is sending it. And I am jorking it. Whoa. Well, I pushed the G2 Pro quite hard. We did a ride out and we rode pretty much all day. And there are people who ran out of battery. You wanna know how much my battery has left? 80%. This battery is insane, bro. Whoa.